Hi, good morning, friends. Riding a dirt bike is the most engaging hobby which not only improves your street motorcycle riding skills but also an excellent way to stay healthy. Just because they are light, powerful, and robust, they can take on any terrain and easily cross various obstacles. Once you're on a machine which weighs only around 120 kgs and delivers a power of around 45 bhp, it becomes very simple to play around. Riding a dirt bike immediately gives you a sense of confidence and feeling of lightness that removes all fear of scary falls from heavy adventure motorcycles. These dirt bikes are mostly simple carburetted machines, unlike modern adventure motorcycles with a sturdy long travel suspension. Absence of any electronics or any software related issues keeps the maintenance simple and also very budget friendly. Regular maintenance means just cleaning of chain and air filter apart from the engine oil change. And that is why these simple dirt bikes can be very easily maintained by any experienced technician. No doubts, the dirt bikes are meant to be used only off-road, but have a good amount of speed and can also take on twisty roads while on knobby tires. These bikes can also take part in motocross events, as in dirt, a lot depends on your riding skills. So if you wish to refine your big adventure motorcycle riding skills or considering an extreme sport like motocross or enduro, maybe you need to look at some cheaper options. And one such option is to go for BSE M450. Jai Hind and ride safe.